We got 40 days until the next FOMC meeting, and the Fed kind of gave us an idea of what to expect as we close out the year. I know everybody wants to be bullish, they want everything to be bullish around Christmas and Santa come home. But, family, we got to keep in mind that we could possibly get one more federal interest rate. There's a 27% chance right now that we get a 0.25 and a 72% that we get another pause here. And as you can see, we got 40 days until the next FOMC meeting. So, um, my strategy right now, I've been holding pat. I'm really stacking up liquidity, looking for the next flash crash to add to my bag, right? I'm not in a rush. I don't think that anybody should be in a rush right now because it's just too much uncertainty in cryptocurrency. We definitely can use a catalyst or some type of um, um, positive, news, maybe some hopium that can actually turn this around going into the next year. I personally don't see it happen, and I'll show you some um, technical. I'll show you some things from a technical standpoint as far as what I'm seeing on the chart. But right now we're just in that chop zone, right? I call it the chop suey zone, right? Where everything is just going up, down, playing with people emotions, going up, oh we're bullish, going down, oh we bearish, going up, oh we bullish, going down, all we bearish. So I think it's important to note that the best thing right now is to be working on your liquidity to be prepared as we go into the next halving cycle. I've really turned up my research, turned up the notch on my research. It's interesting that we are sitting at a 42 as far as fear and greed, which you're seeing from the cryptocurrency space. And even when we looked at the crypto bubbles, not much going on in the crypto world outside of Bitboy crypto. But I can't get up here and talk about a grown man each and every day. That's just not me. Salute to the people that can handle making drama type content. Me personally, I try to give you guys value, something that you can hold on to and at least take away from my videos as you get your portfolio prepared for the next crypto bull run. So please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, consider joining the Patreon if you're interested in some of the degen plays that I've been looking at. I've been updating the Patreon. There actually will be a new video tonight of all the research that I've been doing for the last 2 days, because I know I haven't actually been recording as much videos as I usually record because there's actually nothing to talk about. I can't continue to talk about the same thing, just beating it down in your heads about the same crypto projects, yet we're not seeing anything from a price action standpoint. So I can understand why a lot of people are starting to get frustrated. Trust me, family, I get it. Now, let's get into the charts here now, and why I feel like we could possibly be playing, playing footsie here in bear territory. You can see that the DXY on the monthly is extremely oversold. The blue line just crossed over the orange line, and if this blue line hits 20 on the stock RSI, it would confirm a change in momentum, and that the momentum could possibly be headed to an up to the upside, which tells me we could possibly get something like a double top here from the DXY. That's actually what I'm seeing here as we continue to chop. Actually, let me refresh my page here. But as we continue to chop here, it looks like the DXY here wants to put in a double top on the monthly. So, we can get something like that and then come back down. Hopefully we don't, because that would spell trouble for the entire cryptocurrency space. But it kind of aligns with the last flash crash as inflation has, become a little sticky when you look across the entire world and you see that the Fed, they can't commit to a Fed pause, or they can't commit to a federal rate cut. So until we see some type of cut or pivot from the Fed, and I know I was watching my boy Vision, and he was explaining how the money printer doesn't necessarily have to be on for Bitcoin to pump, and which is a great point. Salute to my boy Vision. But it's not it wouldn't be a bad thing if we get some type of money printer turned on. I'll tell you this, my boy works for a job, and they just let go of somebody that's been there for 16 years, right? They started letting go multiple district managers without letting them know, and the only thing that they said was, "Hey, we're just cutting costs." So I'm starting to see it even in the job market that these companies are starting to just let people go to cut costs. In my opinion, that's a signal. That's a signal, and it tells me, right, as unemployment goes up, we are a lot more closer to a federal cut or the money printing coming on than what people think, right? Taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it is overbought here. I would love to see the dominance hit 60, but again, Bitcoin is just playing with everybody right now. Bitcoin is playing with everybody. On the monthly, you can see that we are overbought, and that blue line crossed over the orange line, which shows a trend change in momentum. So if this comes down on the month, and we print a red candle at the end of September, that could be bearish for crypto and an opportunity for the people that's on the sidelines, for the people that's looking for entry points, and for the opportunists like me and everybody that's part of this channel. So I'm just seeing a couple of warning signs that tell me more pain can be on the way. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. Even on a monthly, we got the same print here on the stock RSI, overbought, blue over red, momentum changing, another lower high from here, which tells me that the momentum is still in a downswing, right? We're still in a downtrend according to the momentum here. So y'all let me know what y'all are doing, man. Let me know what y'all are doing. Again, you can clearly see the downtrend here for Ethereum, which tells me until we break the downtrend, this is really nothing to be bullish about. And these are monthly charts, which tells me we're headed we're headed the wrong way, right? We're definitely headed the wrong way. So the people who are rushing and exhausting their cash right now, I don't understand why you're exhausting your cash or why you're in a rush to be all in on crypto when the trend is your friend and there's no sign that the trend has changed. I was on the side that we were possibly in accumulation zone, but the monthly charts are extremely bearish, and it's just giving me bear market vibes that we are still at the later stages of the bear markets, maybe the beginning of the accumulation stage, and we just don't know how long this 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 will last. Especially the Fed letting us know, like, hey, we're going to continue to sell off treasuries and stuff like that from the balance sheet. So I've been keeping an eye on the open interest on some of these cryptocurrencies. I've been using a new strategy. I'll let you guys know in the Patreon what I've been doing. But you can see here the open interest. You want to pay attention to the open interest of some of these projects right here. Wow, bone open interest has shot up 500%, right? Sitting at 78 cents. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about the current crypto market. This is boring as hell right now in crypto. Man, it's been a struggle to even create content because I don't want to get up here and beat y'all down with hopium and bullish content on some of these cryptocurrencies when I know deep down they're not bullish right now. So hopefully y'all can respect the honesty, like and subscribe, man. Help this video get in the algorithm as far as alpha awareness on cryptocurrency, and just plainly let me know your mentality right now on crypto, your strategies. I love to hear everybody's strategies. Comment on the content, and let's get 100 likes on this video. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.